Bled Chess Festival, the ultimate chess holiday set between the Alps and the crystal waters of Lake Bled. For 7 days, the festival became more than just a competition. It was an experience where 9 rounds of the main tournament were just the beginning. Between the games, we took the spirit of the tournament beyond the hall. We set sail for the island, stood where kings stood at the medieval castle, and found inspiration along the shores of the world's most beautiful lake. With side events like late-night blitz, simuls with Grandmasters, and our secret surprise events, the energy never stopped. During our events with Grandmasters, every moment brought something new. Deep analysis, fresh tactics, and vibrant conversations. It was a week where the world's most passionate players didn't just play, they shared their stories, their secrets, and their love for the game. By being part of this week, you join a century of history. We are reviving a true chess jewel, a stage where legends like Alkheim, Fischer, and Stahl once created their masterpieces. From the historic 1931 tournament to the 2002 Olympiad, we have returned to these roots to breathe new life into this legendary destination, honoring a golden past while building a modern tradition for every player who loves the game. If you missed out on all that and more in 2026, don't let it happen again. The board is already being set for our return in March 8th to the 14th. Join us for the Bled Chess Festival 2027 and secure your place at the lake, where you will be treated like a Grandmaster.